How to make bold text on LinkedIn post. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make bold text on LinkedIn post. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see that I already have made a bold post or bold text on LinkedIn post. So in order to know how to do this, watch the video till the end. First of all, let's close this tab and discard this post. After that, let me inform you that there is no such built-in feature in LinkedIn that help you to make your text bold. So what you need to do is simply launch any web browser on a device and you have to type in Unicode Text Converter. On the result section, you can easily browse and click on the official link of Unicode Text Converter. On this section, what you need to do is simply you need to click on this text bar and type in what you need to post on LinkedIn. So let's type in anything here. So once you have typed in what you need to post on LinkedIn, here you can easily see the preview in different kinds of font style. Simply you would need to choose the bold text style. So as you can see here, these are the bold text. You can copy any one as per your choice. Once you have copied to your clipboard, you need to open LinkedIn website. For that, open any new tab and type in linkedin.com on the search bar. Press enter and then you'll land on the official homepage of LinkedIn where you can see start a post trying writing with AI. Click on it. Now after a while you can easily click on Ctrl V on your keyboard and paste the bold text on LinkedIn. But later if you write in anything, suppose hi, then it won't be bold because there is no built-in feature that help us to generate the bold text on LinkedIn. Simply you need to go back to Unicode Text Converter again and then bold your text and come back to LinkedIn and paste here. Once you have done that, click on post button at bottom right corner of the screen and your post will be successfully posted. So that's how we can easily make bold text on LinkedIn post. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.